This tutorial is for 2nd grade, Module 2, Lesson 5. In this lesson, we're going to use benchmarks to help us estimate length measurements. An example of a benchmark would be an everyday object that would help you remember certain measurement lengths. For example, a common benchmark used to remember the length of a centimeter is that it's about the width of a pinky or your pinky finger. So if I'm looking at this line and I want to estimate the line, I could run my pinky finger along the line to see how long it is, and I could count how many times I would use my pinky finger along this line to give me an estimate. Then I will take a centimeter ruler and I'll find the actual length of this line. So the actual length of the line is 6 centimeters. We will also use common benchmarks in this section. The directions say circle the correct unit of measurement for each estimation. The height of a door is about 2 centimeters or 2 meters tall. Well, we talked about the benchmark for a centimeter being the width of a pinky. The common benchmark for a meter is to think about the height from a doorknob down to the floor. So if I think about a door and the doorknob, from the knob to the floor, that tends to be about 1 meter long. So that's the benchmark we can think about. Well, if we're measuring the height of an entire door, it would make sense that the door would be 2 meters tall, not 2 centimeters. And the benchmark we used for that was thinking about the height from the doorknob to the floor. And again, those are common benchmarks. Students may come up with their own benchmarks to help them remember the length of a centimeter or the length of a meter. It is reasonable to think that the length of a pen would be about 10 centimeters long, not 10 meters long. And again, that benchmark for centimeters would be the width of my pinky finger. And the last question, the length of a car is about 4 meters long compared to 4 centimeters. And the benchmark again would be the height from a doorknob to the floor. So that's how we can use benchmarks to help us remember and estimate length measurements.